Good afternoon, students. My name is Marvin Patterson. I'm your lecturer for the Negotiation and Conflict Resolution class this semester. I just did a video that's in relation to Mr. Lionheart and Sunflower's situation or assignment. And most of the principles stated there can apply and will apply to this video and to the next assignment, which is due sometime in November this month, I believe the 20th of November. So what I propose to do now is just to give you just about 5 or 10 minutes an indication of what I expect. In the last video I gave what I expected because I did that video after the submission and marking of the last assignment. So I'm hoping to put you in a better position now to deal with the next assignment so that you can look at that assignment and deal with it from a position of authority, power, confidence, and you will know exactly how to approach it. Alright? Now the first advice that I can give you is, first of all, read the instructions. I stated that in the last video, and I'll state it again because it's extremely important. Many times you stray, or you answer the wrong question, or you answer a question that wasn't asked because you were not familiar with the instructions that accompanied the assignment. Secondly, on the website for the university, and in the assignment, when you print or when you open the assignment, you will see what we call the grading rubric. The grading rubric gives you an idea of how your assignments are marked. It gives you an idea of the content which attract more marks than others. So you will know how to do your assignment. You will know which part of the assignment to concentrate on and which part will attract more marks. But from a holistic viewpoint, everything is important, and you need to concentrate on that. All right. Now, in this assignment, of course, I would not go into detail with respect to the assignment because, of course, it's not done as yet. But I'm just trying to give you some confidence in addressing it. All right. Now, I would expect you to know the law with respect to the issues that are revealed in the assignment. Again, a little bit of research is necessary and desirable. Now, it doesn't mean that you have to answer or give solutions strictly only based on the law. In a negotiation setting, the law assists you. The law can put you in a position of power or strength, so that you can make demands with confidence, and you are more likely than not to get your demands met or satisfied. You can also use moral persuasion, just simply out of the goodness of your heart, we can settle the matter. That is a practical solution, and it happens sometimes, or many times rather. Some people regard it as begging in a negotiation setting, but you must do everything that you can to get what's best for your client, not necessarily compromising your morality or the legality of any solutions that you might propose. But you are expected to do all within your power to get what's best for your client. You are free again to assume facts, but I repeat, if you assume facts, state those assumed facts so that your assignment can be marked in light of those assumed facts. However, be very careful. If you assume facts that contradict facts given in the fact scenario, if the facts in the fact scenario will take precedence. Your assumed facts cannot contradict the facts given in the scenario. So be careful how and when you assume facts and how you apply your solutions. All right. Part of your research for this assignment may very well be what caused the engine to give out. It is not clear in the fact scenario, and that is deliberate. So you are free again to make assumptions. You're free again to let your mind roam. You're free again to develop and propose and any solutions that you can within reason and within the ambit or scope of the given facts. You may very well want to do some research on what effect diesel may have on an engine, or diesel may have on a gasoline engine, and possibly vice versa. In this case, this is a transmission as opposed to an engine. What's the effect that diesel may have on an engine? Would diesel have any effect at all? In that case, would the gas station manager be right in his allegations? So these are the types of things that you explore. Some people may very well want to look at it from a PR viewpoint, from a public relations viewpoint. Would it be worth your while to threaten PR nightmare? I would blow it up in the newspapers, let everybody see that you're not, honorable. You put you put diesel in my gasoline engine, and now you want to deny liability. People threaten things like that. You can very well strengthen your position by going to another mechanic if you believe that is good. Your mechanic may very well say yes, the diesel destroy the transmission, or no, or there's a possibility, but I can't be too sure. So depending on what your research says with respect to the effect of diesel on a gasoline transmission, you will then be in a position to offer solutions. You will then be in a position to analyze the facts carefully, and then to determine what sort of behavior to adopt, or how to negotiate in the first place, or if at all you can make other recommendations. Alright, so everything is really up to you. This is what I expect. But what we expect to see at this level, university level, is a lot of critical thinking. You must go beyond. You must see beyond. You must ask questions, inquire. Don't just recite principles. I don't want to see you reciting the steps of negotiation. That's for a recitation or a poem if you want to repeat a poem. I want to see them applied. Alright? So think about those things. I hope that I've been of some assistance to you, and I trust that you will look at it carefully. I released this video early so that you will have ample time to analyze the video. You will have ample time to analyze the assignment, and you will have ample time to do some reasonable research. As I said, not in-depth research, but just enough to cover the requirements in the assignment. So please enjoy the assignment. This, again, is a real-life situation, and it can happen to any one of us, and the behaviors or the attitudes of the gas attendant can very well happen to any one of us. So think about it in that light. Don't look for any hidden meanings or any hidden messages. It's all there. If you see anything beyond, it may not necessarily be deliberately hidden, but if you see it and you want to bring it out, show another perspective, that's quite fine. Alright? Even if you show another perspective, but it's not necessarily in accordance with your own views, we have no issues with that. Just show the different perspective, and you can then analyze and say, this is one perspective, this is another school of thought, but I believe this is the situation, or this is what should happen. That's critical analysis, that's critical thinking, that is what we encourage, that is what we look for, and that is where the majority of your marks contained. So I trust that I've been of assistance. So go enjoy the course a little bit more, and I look forward to receiving your assignment. Alright? Thank you, and continue to have a good day. Bye-bye.